The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard by Anthropic that lets AI connect to real-world tools. Clawpad brings the entire MCP ecosystem into one desktop app. Today we will demo over 10 MCP servers live, from file access and browser automation to AI safety guardrails. Let us create a fresh project for this showcase. Clawpad's extension store has over 30 MCP servers covering files, code, communication, music, smart home, and more. Each one gives your AI new agentic capabilities with one click. The File System MCP server gives your AI the ability to read, write, and search files. Click Install and Clawpad downloads the server, starts the SAW process, completes the MCP handshake, and discovers 14 tools. Zero manual configuration. Ask the AI to explore a directory. It calls the File System MCP server's list directory tool, reads the file names, and deduces what kind of project this is. Real agentic tool use, with 14 file operation tools at its disposal. The Git MCP server gives your AI direct access to repositories. Browse commits, view diffs, search code history, install with one click. The MCP server auto-starts, and 12 tools are registered with the AI. Ask the AI about recent commits. It calls the Git MCP server's log tool and provides human-readable summaries with dates and descriptions. The AI becomes your code reviewer through MCP. The Memory MCP server gives your AI a persistent knowledge graph. Facts and preferences survive across sessions. Install it and the AI gains long-term memory. No API key needed. Data stays on your machine. Tell the AI something about yourself. It calls the Memory MCP server to store each fact as a node in a persistent knowledge graph. These facts persist across all future sessions. WebFetch lets your AI read any web page in real time. It fetches URLs, converts HTML to clean markdown, and respects robots.txt. No API keys needed. Ask the AI to read a live web page. The MCP server fetches the current Hacker News front page, and the AI extracts the top stories with their scores. Real-time information, always fresh. The YouTube MCP server extracts transcripts from any public video, summarize talks, analyze tutorials, or research content, all without watching the full video. No API key required. Ask the AI to summarize a YouTube video. The MCP server extracts the full transcript, and the AI produces a concise summary. Research hours of video content in seconds. Playwright by Microsoft gives your AI a full web browser. Navigate pages, click elements, fill forms, and read dynamic JavaScript content. On first run, it downloads Chromium automatically. Ask the AI to open a web page in a real browser. The Playwright MCP server navigates the URL, captures an accessibility snapshot, and the AI describes every element. 22 browser tools available. Sequential Thinking is an MCP server for structured problem solving. It breaks complex tasks into dynamic thought sequences with revision and branching. No API key, no setup, just deeper reasoning for your AI. Give the AI a complex design question. Sequential Thinking structures the reasoning into numbered steps, considers trade-offs, and reaches a well-reasoned conclusion. Visible, auditable AI reasoning. Context 7 is a remote MCP server that provides real-time documentation lookups. Get the latest SDK docs injected directly into your AI's context. No installation, no API key, it runs in the cloud. Ask the AI about a framework. Context 7 fetches the latest documentation from the official source and injects it into the conversation. Always up to date, version-specific docs. SitTide gives your AI a local database. Create tables, run queries, and analyze data, all through natural language. The database is created automatically, no setup or credentials needed. Ask the AI to build a database. The SQLite MCP server creates the table, inserts rows, and runs the query, all from a natural language request. The AI writes the SQL, the MCP server executes it. You have just seen 9 MCP servers in action, all working without any API keys. But this is just the beginning. Clawpad's catalog has over 30 extensions covering email, communication, productivity, smart home, and more. Let us take a look. The email category includes Google Workspace with Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and Docs in one server, plus standalone Gmail, Microsoft 365 with Outlook and Teams, and Apple Suite for native macOS Mail. WhatsApp is the most popular consumer MCP server with over 5,000 GitHub stars. Slack and Discord connect your team channels. Twilio adds SMS and voice. Nost brings decentralized social networking. The official Notion MCP server has nearly 4,000 stars. Obsidian connects your local vault. Todoist, Trello, and Asana bring task and project management, all controlled through natural language. Home Assistant has 80 tools for controlling lights, climate, and automations. The Tesla extension connects to your vehicle through the Fleet API. Control your entire smart home through chat. Spotify for playback and playlist curation, our Ring for sleep and readiness data, Apple Health for fitness metrics, Brave Search for privacy-first web search, Postgre and Google Maps round out the catalog. Every extension that needs credentials shows a simple setup form. Enter your token or API key, Clawpad encrypts and stores it, and the MCP server starts instantly. One-time setup, then the extension works forever. Clawpad is not just an MCP browser. We ported OpenClaw's most powerful plugins to MCP format. AI Guardrails and Agent Observatory started as OpenClaw plugins and now work with any MCP client. AI Guardrails classifies every tool call by risk tier. Bash is high risk requiring confirmation. Delete operations are critical. Read operations pass through. Every evaluation is logged in a full audit trail. Agent Observatory tracks every tool call with precise timing, success or failure status, and token usage, generates session reports and error analyses, DevOps for AI agents through the standard MCP protocol. Ready to give your AI real-world tools? Download Clawpad for free at clawpad.ai. The full MCP extension catalog is included and growing every week. Community servers plus OpenClaw plugins, all in one platform.